got a new journal for 2025.
Should we talk about resolutions?
I first thought I will not enjoy it because I am not really an economic student.
Hi guys, good morning and happy new year. Hopefully this year is really fun, full of adventures and lot of experiences. I'm running actually very late. Today's day is going to be fairly productive because I have a lot of things planned and lined up. So yeah, I'll talk to you after I get ready from this look. Since 2025 has begun, should we talk about resolutions or not? Honestly, I've stopped talking about New Year resolutions since last year because I personally stopped making any New Year resolutions because the energy that we have starting of the year is not the same. I had made really strong habits for the year of 2023 which I am still continuing with, and I think that is why I feel like you should not make resolutions but instead make like strong habits such as meditation, journaling and stuff like that. So I would like to know if you guys have made any goals or any resolutions or anything for this year, because yeah, it's really exciting to make goals and resolutions for New Year's. But the hard part is to continue and fulfill those goals eventually at the end of the year. So yeah, let's see whether we are able to cope up with our goals and resolutions. So this is my university TBH timetable जो मैंने यहाँ पे लगा के रखा है, so that it's constantly in my head कि exams are coming really quickly and I have to study really hard. So I am currently in my college preparatory leave, which means that I don't have college now until my exams. I am actually very stressed out this time because I have not really prepared well in advance. I have started really late, तो मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं कितने अच्छे से I'll be able to prepare for this exam. But let's not think about all of that. So today I have planned to do medicine 1. Then in the evening we have to go to the clinic, and then at night we have a meeting. तो आज का दिन मैंने स्टार्ट भी बहुत लेट किया है, so we might not get time to sleep. I will try not to sleep today in the afternoon, but I don't know, I might sleep in the afternoon. For now, let's start making our to-do list and then start studying without wasting any further time. So these are the list of questions that I have got printed. I'm covering my portion through these questions, and this is a very smart way to do. Just check out the past year question papers and make a list of those questions and just do that questions. You will save time and you will study what is important and you will study what is actually asked. So do not waste time doing everything. Instead of doing hard work, do smart work. My lunch and I'm sitting outside in my balcony for some time. So I personally don't really get to spend time outside in natural sunlight because I'm in college all the time. I'm sure many of the students will agree to this, that because we are always in college and in lecture rooms and lecture theaters, we don't get time to spend outside, especially in the day. So whenever I get this chutti day or whenever I have this leave from college,
out than in my balcony, because we do get a lot of light in my balcony also. I feel so numb right now because I had such a deep sleep. So just to wake myself up, I have come up on the terrace to get some air also and some sunlight. I've come up actually after a really long time and it really feels good. Okay, so I just got back home from the clinic. It got a little late today, but no worries. We will now get back to studying and then have dinner, and then if I still have some energy left, we will again study. Otherwise, we will call it a day for studying. So yeah, let's complete the remaining topics which are there for today. Got done with my dinner. I had khichdi, kadhi and salad. I have a meeting right now and some time. I have like 2 minutes to go. I don't know how long the meeting will go on, but it will fairly roughly take like 35 to 40 minutes for sure. Finally, the meeting just got over and I am now in my PJs. Now I have some time to talk to you about my night routine. Recently, I have started reading books before I go to sleep. This is a new book that I have started, which is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I am actually enjoying this book. I first thought I will not enjoy it because I am not really an economic student. Financial numbers मुझे ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आता है. But this book is really nice. It's not just about finance. I have just read like 100 pages, but it's absolutely fun reading this book. So because I'm enjoying it, I am actually reading it consistently. I will be reading this book for like 10-15 minutes, and after that, as you all know, that I journal. So I got a new journal for 2025. It's very vibrant and the journal should be actually full of vibrant colors, and only then you feel like writing it every day. So I ordered this and I love the color. I'm also enjoying writing in this journal. So yeah, first we'll be reading the book and then we'll write the journal and then meditate and then sleep. So let's go. now. I hope you all enjoyed this day with me. It was really fun. This day was productive, yes. I could have done more studying, but overall I think I did a lot of other productive work. So it's a good day. I hope you all enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are now a family of 600 subscribers and above. So I can't wait to see 1,000 on the channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Now I will see you in my next one.